We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Okay, see here. Till now, we have completed this experiment number 5, that is the study of an analysis of harmonic spectrum of output voltage for unipolar and bipolar SPWM inverter. Right. Now, we'll move forward for our sixth experiment, that is the simulation performance of this three-phase inverter with 180-degree conduction mode. Right. See, for that, before that, we are going to complete our seventh experiment before six. That is the single phase AC voltage controller. Single phase AC voltage controller. So, see, first of all, uh, AC voltage controller. I am showing you the slide. Okay, can you see this? Everyone are able to see this? Nishant,
Yes, sir.
are you able to see
Yes, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Single phase AC voltage controllers with RLO.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the single phase AC voltage controller, and yeah, AC voltage controller has two back-to-back SCRs that will allow to pass the complete AC cycle. This is our supply voltage that we are going to apply. These are the gate pulses, IG1 and IG2, that are for the two SCRs. Both SCRs will triggered 180 degree. After the 180 degree, that means if it is alpha, if the gate 1 or SCR1 is triggered at alpha, then SCR2 will be triggered at pi plus alpha, right? And the first half cycle, during the first half cycle, SCR1 is triggered after alpha degree. So the output voltage across the load resistance will be like this. That is the positive half cycle. And after that, alpha 2, that means IG2, that means thyristor T2 will be triggered. And that is why the negative half cycle will be passed to the load resistance, right? So this will be your current. The same pattern will be as a current. This is the voltage. This is the voltage that appeared across the SCR, because the SCR T1 is turned off during this time. So this much amount of voltage will be appeared across the SCR1, right? And same negative voltage will appear across the SCR2. So this circuit you have to simulate into the MATLAB, and you need to get this kind of waveforms. Similarly, you have to also uh, simulate this circuit with RL load, right? Uh, for the RL load, this is the current waveform and this is the voltage waveform, right? Voltage waveform will be like this. This is your alpha, right? After the triggering of the alpha, it will go up to the here. This is due to the uh, lagging of the current. यहाँ से current जो है, voltage cycle is zero, but current is not zero. Current is still flowing. So this much amount of effect will be occurred due to the inductive load. So that we will see during the simulation, that what kind of inductive voltage will be there. And you can say the applications of the AC voltage controller are the domestic and industrial heatings, and transformer tape changing, lighting control. Nowadays, there are AC voltage controller are used in the fan regulators. So these are the applications of the AC voltage controller. Now we'll see how the simulation to be done in the MATLAB of the AC voltage controller. So now I'm sharing the MATLAB screen. Right. So this is the MATLAB screen, and we'll take now see for simulating the AC voltage controller. Uh, we require For simulating the AC voltage controller, we require the two SCRs first of all. So from the library browser, we'll take two SCRs. So specialized technology and box. Power electronics, and we are taking two SCRs. So this is the first SCR that we have taken. Okay, so we got the SCR, and now the second thing that we require is the AC voltage source. So we'll go to the library again, and electrical sources. And we have taken the AC voltage source, right? So now we'll just connect these two. So we also require a resistor, right? So we'll take from the elements, we'll take RLC series branch over here, right? And similarly, we also require uh, voltage and current measurement. So this is our current measurement, and this is our voltage measurement that we are taking, right? And to see the waveforms, we require the scope. So we'll take scope. Right? And moreover, to continue simulation of any of the power electronic simulation, you require one more block, is the power GUI block. So we are taking the power GUI block over here. First of all, we save our file. AC controller. So we have saved our file now, so we can run easily. Fine. See, to simulate this circuit, two SCRs are back-to-back connected, so we are rotating this thyristor to the anti-clockwise direction and connecting together. See, now both SCRs are anti-parallel to each other. So we have connected now anode to cathode, and this is cathode to anode, right? So, and first of all, we are simulating for the R load, and we are taking the resistance value as 10 ohm, and we'll put current, that means the current meter to measure the current. So this is our meter to measure the current, right? And it is connected with the source. So source is connected over here, and we also connect the voltmeter across the load to check the voltage waveforms, right? And set the value of the voltage 100 volt, and our frequency is 50 hertz, so I am making over here 50. 100 volt and 50 hertz, so I am making over here 50. So 50 hertz sine wave is there, right? And I am making it discrete. Now the major thing that we require is the pulse generator to give the pulses of the SCRs, right? So we are taking right now a pulse generator from the sources. We are taking the pulse generator, right? Now how to set the pulse? Once you again see the pulses of the nature in the theoretical diagram, I am showing you the theoretical diagram. uh, See here, in this diagram you can see that uh, the pulses, the width of the pulses is very small. The width of the pulse is very small. It is not during the entire half cycle or entire full cycle. The reason of this, once SCR got fired, okay, you have also studied in the chapter of SCR. Once SCR got fired, it cannot be turned off until you commutate the SCR, right? तो इसको अभी हमने commutate नहीं किया है, off नहीं किया है. That is why it will remain on. After the half cycle, देखो यहाँ से फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल पास हो रहा है, ठीक है, फ्रॉम द SCR1. आफ्टर दिस, ड्यूरिंग द नेगेटिव half cycle, it will commutate naturally, because now it will in the reverse bias position during the negative half cycle, so it will commutate naturally, right? It is called the natural commutation of SCR. So SCR does not require the pulse of the full cycle. It only requires the quarter or 10% of the full cycle pulse, right? So we will give only this much amount of pulse to the SCR. So now we'll again go to our simulation, right? And we'll set the pulses. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ ये pulse वाला block. See here, in that block you can see that the first term is amplitude, second term is the period. That means your one half cycle, one full cycle period, that is the period हमको डालना है किसमें, यहाँ पे seconds में. So that's the period is 20 millisecond, and it's converted into the seconds. That means 0.02 second. Percentage of the pulse width, that means कि कितना परसेंटेज की विड्थ आपको पल्स की रखनी है, ठीक है. so 5% is okay, because I told you that usko 10% do, 5% do, kuch bhi do. Thyristor, once it will trigger, then it cannot be turned off until you commutate the thyristor, right? And last one is the phase delay. Phase delay आपको इसमें डालना है, सेकंड्स में डालना है. फेज डिले मतलब कि आपका फायरिंग एंगल आप कौन सा चूज करना चाहते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर चूजिंग फायरिंग एंगल एज 30 डिग्री. आप फायरिंग एंगल अगर 30 डिग्री चूज करते हो तो उसको सेकंड में आपको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सेकंड में आप कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो? वेरी वेरी इजी. 360 डिग्री पर हमारा टोटल सेकंड का टाइम कितना है? क्योंकि 0.02 सेकंड. ठीक है, तो 30 डिग्री पे कितना होगा? सिंपल है. सो 30 into 0.02 seconds and divided by 360, that means 0.0016. You can calculate it. 0.0016. This is the phase, this is the firing angle that we have chosen at the 30 degree, right? So okay, and now 30 degree we have chosen as our firing angle, and we'll give it to the SCR1, right? Similarly, we are copying this and giving it to the second SCR, right? And now the second SCR is to be triggered after the 180 degree. That means alpha and pi plus alpha. We have chosen our alpha, right? And this SCR will be triggered after the pi plus alpha. Pi, that means 180 degree, and 180 degree का अगर आपको कुछ सेकंड में टाइम निकालना है, that means it is the 0.01 second, right? So here we are just adding 0.0016 is fixed, alpha is fixed, and this is our pi plus alpha, that means plus 0.01. So I am showing you is this is alpha that we have taken for the first, right? And this is our pi plus alpha, that means 0.001 plus alpha. Okay, right? Again, we have completed this. Now we are just running our simulation. We will just run our simulation. Double click on the scope. See, in the scope, you can set in the scope you can set two windows simultaneously, two input ports and layout like this, so you can directly see two kinds of waveforms, that means voltage and current simultaneously. So we have set it this, right? And we'll give the first term is our voltage and second one is current, right? And now we can run our simulation. Let's say we are taking our simulation time as 0.06 second. That means 3 cycles that can pass. So we are running our simulation. And so simulation running is complete, and we are double clicking on this scope again. See, this is the output voltage, and this is our output current. 100. See here, this is our output voltage. That is our 30-degree firing angle, right? And this is our output current, right? The nature of the both output voltage and current will be same due to the resistive load, right? Now we'll again set the we'll again set the RL type of load, right? So we are making it RL, and here the inductance that we are taking is 2 millihenry, okay? RL and 2 millihenry of the inductance. Now again we are running the simulation. See here, you can see the output voltage and current waveform, right? See, आप इसको देख सकते हो यहाँ से. These are the inductance notches over here, inductive notches over here. These are the, it represents. See here, I'm just enlarging the waveform. See, here and see here, these are the inductive notches. You can see here, right? Inductance effect, and at that time voltage is zero, but current is still not zero. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? Voltage is zero, but current is not zero, right? So this is the effect of the inductance. You can visualize it more by applying the larger value of the inductor, right? We are again going to the simulation, right? And we are taking the value of the inductance somewhat higher, let's say 5 millihenry. Right, so see, again you can see the effect of the inductor over here, right? The same voltage that you have seen it theoretically, right? Here voltage is zero, but current is still not zero, current is still flowing, right? So this is the effect of the inductance. Now again you can change the firing angle, right? I am making here let's say an example 0.003, right? And alpha, and we are changing our uh, pi plus alpha, that means 0.003, okay, plus alpha. So alpha, and this is the pi plus alpha. So again we are going to the simulation file. Now we are running this simulation again. See, this is the actual output voltage. This is now our alpha is changed, right? Alpha हम लोगों ने बढ़ा दिया, so our voltage will be like this, right? And this will be our current. This is the nature of the current. See, अब आप इसमें और नया क्या कर सकते हो? See, once again I am showing you this waveforms. This is the voltage waveform, and this is the current waveform, right? You can now change the colors to, आपको प्रिंट आउट भी निकलना है, ठीक है, लेब मैनुअल में लगाने के लिए. सो इसका बैकग्राउंड जो है वो आप लोग वाइट कर दोगे, राइट? एक्टिव डिस्प्ले 1, दैट मींस पहला वाला मेजरमेंट, वोल्टेज मेजरमेंट. Let's say suppose we are apply it red, and active display 2, that means current measurement. Let's say we are taking the current measurement blue and apply. See, see, you can see the colors of the scope, right? Color of the scope को दिखाई दे रहा है सबको, ठीक है? Color of the scope. You can also change, you can also give the names. That means go to the configurations and change the title, that is output voltage. See here, यहाँ पे आपको change करना है configuration parameter output voltage, apply and OK. And similarly, you can go to the again view configuration properties. ठीक है, configuration properties में आप जाके again you can change the display, active display 2. Active display 2, you can make it output current, right? Apply and OK, right? So now you can see the waveforms. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आ गया output voltage and output current. You can directly print out from this, right? आप इसमें से directly print out निकाल सकते हो. Now the main thing that I want to share with you, the harmonic analysis of the converter. ठीक है, तो आप इसमें हार्मोनिक एनालिसिस कैसे कर सकते हो? सी, एवरी एसी कन्वर्टर विल इंट्रोड्यूस हार्मोनिक फ्रॉम एट द सोर्स साइड. ठीक है, जैसे कि हम लोग अभी सारे इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट्स जो है वो यूज करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लैपटॉप है, मोबाइल्स है, ठीक है, तो उसका चार्जर जो है वो किस टाइप का करंट लेता है, ठीक है, वो डिवाइस पर्टिकुलरली किस टाइप का करंट कंज्यूम करता है, दैट विल अफेक्ट द harmonics on the supply side. That means we will measure harmonics from the supply side, right? So we are taking the current measurement at the supply side, and similarly we'll take the voltmeter to the supply side, right? And we'll take the scope. ठीक है, यहाँ पे पहला होगा सप्लाई वोल्टेज, दूसरा होगा सप्लाई करंट. ठीक है, नाउ अगेन वी आर रनिंग द सिमुलेशन. नाउ सी हियर, see, this is the supply voltage, right? We go to the again configuration parameters, and instead of output voltage we are making it input voltage. Okay. And here configuration parameters, we are making it the input current, right? Input current, right? So you can see our input voltage is purely sinusoidal, right? But the input current that is taken or that is consumed by the load, see how the nature of the current is taken from the source. ये जो सोर्स से करंट जा रहा है उसका नेचर देखिए, इट इज नॉट प्योर साइनसोइडल. ठीक है, सोर्स में से जो करंट लिया जा रहा है, इट इज नॉट अ प्योरली साइनसोइडल, it is the waveform with many harmonics, right? So every electronic component that we are using, right, laptop, TV, refrigerator, that are introducing harmonics to the supply side. वो supply side पे harmonics जो वो introduce कर रहा है. ठीक है, so this is the technique to analyze the waveforms. Okay, so I am just now revising the things. ठीक है, कि how to select the components first of all. ठीक है, आपको components पहले तो कैसे लेने हैं. ठीक है, so everybody knows that this is the Simulink library. ठीक है, ये आपकी लाइब्रेरी है. तो सारे components जो आपको चाहिए पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिलेटेड वो आपको मिलेंगे कहाँ से? सिमस्कैप में से, राइट? सिमस्कैप में से आप जाओगे स्पेशलाइज्ड टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर. ठीक है, स्पेशलाइज्ड टेक्नोलॉजी में फंडामेंटल ब्लॉक्स, उसमें से पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, ठीक है। तो वहां पे आपको दिखा देगा डिटेल्ड थायरिस्टर, ठीक है, वो आपको ले लेना है टू सिमुलेट दिस सर्किट, है। बाकी के सारे कंपोनेंट्स भी यहाँ पर ही है, SCR है, सॉरी IGBT है, MOSFET है, ये देखो MOSFEट है, IGBT विद डायोड है, तो सारे कंपोनेंट्स आपको यहीं से मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। सो डिटेल थायरिस्टर आपको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके ले लेना है, ठीक है। उसके बाद यू कैन सिलेक्ट द मेजरमेंट, तो सारे वोल्टेज और करंट मेजरमेंट आपको यहीं पे मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। मशीन्स, अगर आप कोई मशीन का सिमुलेशन कर रहे हो तो सारे मशीन्स भी आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद एलिमेंट्स, तो हाउ रेजिस्टेंस एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ लोड, सो ये जो हमारा RLC सीरीज ब्रांच है दैट कैन बी सिलेक्टेड एज रेजिस्टेंस, RL लोड, then electrical sources, so AC voltage source, DC voltage source, these are the voltage sources over here, right? Now where is the pulse generator, right? तो pulse generator जो है वो आपको सबसे ऊपर में से सोर्स में मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। यहाँ से pulse generator आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। pulse generator तो इतना है, एंड देन सिंक्स में से आपको स्कोप मिलेगा, ठीक है। सो these are the available things in the library. Now, you can tell me first of all if you have any doubt regarding this simulation. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो अभी वो पूछ सकता है। I have unmuted the all participants now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
सब कुछ दिखाई दिया था proper?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Dhiren?
Sir, no doubt.
Okay. Shreya?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Paritosh?
No doubt, sir.
Everybody doubts are cleared, right? How to simulate the SCR? अभी आपको क्या करना है, ये सारे जो है वेवफॉर्म्स आपको सिमुलेट करके आपको उसका प्रिंट ले लेना है, सेव करके रखना अभी। whenever the lockdown is over, you can print out all the waveforms. अभी के लिए सब कुछ आपको फाइल में लिख लेना है, ठीक है। एक्सपेरिमेंट जो है खत्म हो तो उसकी थियरी जो है वो सारी एक्सपेरिमेंट की थियरी पोर्शन जो है वो आपको लिख लेना है अभी सही फाइल में। So the waveforms and their printouts only should be pending. Fine. So we are taking up to here only our class. In the next class, we'll learn about the three-phase. You can also try the three-phase AC voltage controller. Okay. Our next experiment is the three-phase AC voltage controller. Right, so you can simulate the three-phase AC voltage controller, experiment number 8, and there is also one experiment will pending, that is the three-phase inverter. Right, so we'll do first of all three-phase inverter in our next class.
सर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होगी?
नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम में नहीं लूंगा, सिर्फ वाइवा ले लूंगा, ठीक है। आई विल पुट द मार्क्स just from the viva and your file. ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए तो आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो कि सिर्फ पढ़ सकते हो, जितना भी प्रैक्टिकल मतलब जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट है उसके रिलेटेड आप लोग पढ़ सकते हो अभी घर पे। तो एग्जाम में वैसा नहीं लूंगा, प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करने वाला एग्जाम मैं नहीं लूंगा। हाँ, ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं आपको सिमुलेशन का कोई टास्क जो है वो पूछ सकता हूँ वाइवा में कि ये प्रोसीजर कैसे होता है, सो दैट शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड। ओके,
Yes.
okay, fine, so we are ending over here our session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.